everyone, thank you for joining me in this video edition. As we did before in our previous lessons, we conducted a drawings and we model a 23-story building. We analyze it and design it. So this is what we have. Now, next, after that, we consider in the previous videos, we consider only wind load, leaf load, and dead load. However, in this video, we consider how to apply a seismic load into your building. So, first of all, the structure, like I say, model is locked because we conducted the analysis and design. Now we should unlock it. First of all, after we unlock it, we now add a response spectrum. But first of all, before going to response spectrum, we should have to define a seismic load. So we go to load patterns. So here you see we have date, leaf, and wind, which we did before. So we need to define a seismic load. So as we did before, you add a seismic. Here you see seismic. Here you put a seismic. And here you go IS 2000 where is it 1893 2000. So you say and you know now we go straight forward and modify the load. So click, you first of all select it, select the load, and then click on modify lateral load. Here you select only X and Y. So we can select these ones, and this parameters is obtained from IS 1893 2000. So you can go there and check it based on Bangalore parameters as we did in the previous video. So, and from there, our Z is 0.1 and site type is site 2 and the importance factor is 1. Well, the response spectrum factor is 3. So we click on OK. Now we have defined our seismic load, so we click on OK. So now the software will understand that we have a seismic load. Next, we define a function. So in this case, we are considering the seismic load based on response spectrum factor. So we go to function, we go to response spectrum. Now we click here into Indian standard, which is IS 1893 2000, and we said a new function. Here we name it as response spectrum. We set the parameters as before. This is 0.1 and this is 2. So we click on OK. Okay. So now we define our function, that is a response spectrum function. Next is to define the load case. So we go straight forward to define and then load case. And here I have already a response spectrum. So however, let me delete it and show how to add another one. So to add a new load spectrum, we just click on add new. We define the case as spectrum response spectrum. Here we define the load case as response spectrum, and here we click on add. So you change this one to U1. This is the polynomial. You say no response spectrum, and you calculated the scale factor, which is based on the IS 1893 2000. So, and when we did so, we find out that the scale factor is 1633.5. Now, after that, we click on that is we define this one, the load name U1 for x axis. Now we add for y axis also again. We change this one to U2 and we go here to response spectrum. We put the same z value for y. So here we have 1633.5 again. So we click on OK. So here it is defined response spectrum. So we click on OK. So now we have defined our response spectrum. What remains next is just to analyze the building. So to do so, we just go to analyze. We said, first of all, we said load case draw. And since we are only considering response spectrum, so you can see here, first of all, we shall to turn up date and leave load as well. They are already deferred. If you want to do so let's see, they are all in run. So first of all, what you need to do, try to shut this down. So you click on here because we are already run the date and leave load, so we are not considering them anymore. Now we are considering only seismic and response spectrum. So here we are. Now we consider seismic and response spectrum. So we are running analysis on it. So you just say on and wait for the structure to run the analysis for you, or the software to run. Sorry. So this is our analysis. You can zoom in as we did before to check the details by right clicking on any edge point. For instance, this one, you can check the details as we did before. Also, if you need to see the share traces and forces, you can simply go to display. You say post trace. You go and show anything you want. For example, if you want to see share, you just click on this F1 to and here to show you the details and it will change. So anything you want, you just go there. You just go to display and select whatever you want to see. So after analyzing, the next stage is just to design the building. So let's go simply on designing by going to design, a concrete frame design, go up to view revised preferences and check to ensure that these are according with the IS 456 2000. If not, then click and select from the drop down menu IS code. So click on OK. After that, you just go again and click on design. Click on design, click on concrete frame and start design check. So some loading combination don't have available. So what is saying that we disable dead load and leave load, so it's not available. So it's okay. We said okay. Since we are just considering dead load, sorry, seismic load and response spectrum. So ETAPS is designing, so we wait patiently until it finish. We wait patiently until the design is completed and we check for the results. Okay, now this our design. Let's check with the members to see if all the members have passed design. So you go to concrete print, you go to verify member pass, so you can see all concrete print has the design check. So we are good to go. Now our structure can resist response spectrum, system not using response spectrum. You can generate your report as before. We did you just click on summary and you are good to go. And you wait for the software to load the data. So here we are. This is our report. We complete it and see the detail element of the design. So thank you for listening. Please join me in the next video.